students, welcome to my channel. 11th CBSE trigonometric functions. Prove that cot square pi by 6 plus cosecant 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6 is equal to 6. Cot pi by 6. Pi by 6 equal to 180 by 6, 30 degree. Pi by 6 means 30 degree. 180 by 6, 30 degree. Cot square 30. Cot square 30 plus cosecant 5 pi by 6. We can write this into pi minus pi by 6. Pi minus pi by 6. This is 6 pi minus 5. This 6 pi minus pi. 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square 30. 3 tan square 30. Cot 30 value, tan 30 value, tan 30 value is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan 30 1 by root 3. Tan 30 1 by root 3. Cot 30 reciprocal of 1 by root 3. Cot 30 is equal to root 3 whole square plus cosecant pi minus pi by 6. Cosecant pi minus pi by 6. 180 minus theta. Sin 180 minus theta, sin theta. So cosecant 180 minus theta, cosecant theta. This is cosecant theta. Cosecant 30. Cosecant pi by 6, 30. Pi by 6, 30. Cosecant 180 minus theta, cosecant theta. Pi by 6 value 30 plus 3 tan square 30. Now we substitute the value. Root 3 square 3 plus cosecant 30. Sin 30 reciprocal cosecant 30. Sin 30 value 1 by 2. Cosecant 30 is 2. Sin value sin 30 1 by 2. Cosecant 30 1 by 2 reciprocal 2 plus 3. Tan 30 value 1 by root 3. Tan 30 1 by root 3 whole square. 1 by root 3 whole square. 3 plus 2 plus 3 into 1 square 1. Root 3 square 3. 3 3 cancel. 3 plus 2 plus 1. Total 6. Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today trigonometric functions, 11th CBSE. Question 4. Prove that 2 sin square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 secant square pi by 3 is equal to 10. First we take sin 3 pi by 4. Sin 3 pi by 4. We can write this into sin pi minus pi by 4. We can written as sin pi minus pi by 4. 4 pi minus pi, 3 pi by 4. This is sin pi minus theta formula. Sin pi minus theta. Sin pi minus theta. Sin pi minus theta is equal to sin theta. This is sin theta. Theta value pi by 4 is equal to sin pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. First 2 sin square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 secant square pi by 3 is equal to 10. Left hand side 2 sin square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 secant square pi by 3. LHS is equal to this value. Now we can prove the answer is equal to 10. Sin 3 pi by 4 value is 1 by root 2. Sin pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2. Sin 3 pi by 4 become sin pi by 4. This value is 1 by root 2. 2 into 1 by root 2 whole square. This square means 1 by root 2 whole square plus 2 cos 45 value. Cos 45 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole square. 1 by root 2 whole square plus 2 secant square pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60. 180 by 3 60. Secant 60. Cos 60 1 by 2. Secant 60 reciprocal of cos 60. Reciprocal cos 60. Cos 60 1 by 2. Secant means 2. 2 square is equal to 2. 1 square 1. Root 2 square 2. Plus 2. 1 square 1. Root 2 square 2. Plus 2 into 2 square 4. 2 into 4. 2 to cancel. 2 to cancel. Here 1. 1. 2 4s are 8. 1 plus 1 2 10. We have proved. Question number 25. Prove that cos 6x equal to 32 cos to the power 6x minus 48 cos power 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. We take cos 6 as cos 2 into 3x. We can write cos 6 as cos 2 into 3x. 2 into 3x 6x. Cos 2a formula. We assume a is x. Cos 2a. Cos 2a formula. Cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. Cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. 2 into cos square a. A means 3x. A means 3x minus 1. 2 cos square a value is 3x. 3x minus 1. 2 cos square 3x minus 1. Cos 2 into 3x cos 6x. Cos 6x. Now we split cos 6x as cos 2 into 3x. Cos 6x. This is a. So we can write as cos 2a. Cos 2a. A is equal to 3x. 2 cos square 3x minus 1. A is equal to 3x. 2 cos square 3x minus 1. This cos 3a formula. Cos 3a formula. 2 into, now we can write this as cos 3x whole square minus 1. Cos 3x whole square minus 1. 2 into cos 3a formula. This is cos 3a formula. Cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. 4 cos cube a. A means x. 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. 3 cos x. Cos 3x formula 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x whole square. Whole square minus 1 equal to 2. This is a minus b whole square formula. This is a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square formula is a square. A square. 4 square 16 cos cube x square 6x. This is a square plus b square. B square is square. 9 cos square x. A square this plus b square 9 cos square x minus 2ab. Minus 2 into a into b. 2 into a cos cube x b 3 cos x. This value is minus 1. This is whole bracket. Now we can simplify this. 2 16 cos power 6x plus 9 cos square x. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24 minus 24 cos cube x into cos x, cos to the power 4x. Cos power 4x minus 1. multiply by 2. 2 into 16, 32. 2 into 16, 32 cos to the power 6x. Cos power 6x plus 2 into 9, 18. Cos square x. Next 2 into 24, 48. Cos power 4x. So remaining minus 1. Now we get the answer. Now we will get the answer 32 cos power 6x, 18 cos square x, minus 48 cos power 4x, minus 1. 32 cos power 6x minus 48 cos power 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. Now we write the order. This is the answer. Trigonometric functions. Question 7. Prove that tan of pi by 4 plus x divided by tan of pi by 4 minus x is equal to 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x whole square. First we take left hand side. LHS. LHS numerator tan pi by 4 plus x. Tan a plus b formula. Numerator tan pi by 4 plus x as tan a plus b. Tan a plus b formula. First we write the numerator as a plus b. Tan a plus b form. Tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b. Tan a plus tan b 1 minus tan a tan b. 1 minus tan a into tan b. We substitute a as pi by 4, b as x. Turn numerator a as pi by 4. A value pi by 4 plus b value x. B value x by 1 minus turn a value pi by 4, b value x. B value x. Here tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. Tan 45. Pi by 4 means 45 degree. Tan pi by 4 45. Tan 45 1. 1 plus tan x. 1 plus tan x by 1. 1 into tan x. Tan x. Here tan pi by 4 is x. Tan pi by 4 is 1. 1 into tan x, tan x. This is numerator value. Next denominator. Denominator tan a minus b formula. Tan a minus b formula. Tan. Similarly, we can write tan pi by 4 minus x as tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Into tan x. Tan 45 1. 1 minus tan x by 1 into tan x, 1 plus tan x. 1 plus tan x. This is numerator, this is denominator. Numerator by denominator. Numerator value divided by denominator value. Numerator 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x divided by denominator 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Numerator, denominator. 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. Denominator into 1 plus tan x by reciprocal. Reciprocal of denominator 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x equal to 1 plus tan x into 1 plus tan x. 1 plus tan x whole square. 1 plus tan x whole square. 1 minus tan x into 1 minus tan x. 1 minus tan x whole square. Now we can write the answer as 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x whole square. Thank you.